Okay, so we're going to take a look at some of the device-based personalization conditions in Sitecore XM Cloud. So there's two different types of device-based personalization. You can personalize based on the device type itself. So we're talking about whether it's a mobile, desktop, tablet, or other. The other type of device-based personalization is operating system, and the different options are listed here. And other is there if it can't detect what type of operating system the user is using. So the use case that we're going to take a look at is a user browsing on a mobile device. And given it's a smaller viewport, we want to tailor the homepage so that the content presents more effectively for that smaller viewport on the mobile device. So let's jump in and set this up. So again, just using our demo site, I'm just going to pick some really simple customization as our personalization. So let's jump over into personalize and create the page variant. I'm going to call this device. And we're going to create our audience based on our device-based conditions. So scrolling down here through the list to device, and let's combine our two device conditions together. So firstly, if the visitor is using a mobile device and if the visitor is on a iOS operating system. So I'm going to test this on my mobile device. So let's save that audience. Okay, and now let's tailor the content. So again, given it's a mobile device, we just want to amend this main headline here so that it's a bit shorter. So let's create a new content item and call it mobile. And apologies, I'm not going to be very creative, but I'm just going to call it a shorter welcome message. So there's less text. Obviously, that means it's going to take up less real estate. And in addition, something we haven't done yet is actually hide a component. So that's another way of personalizing. You don't just need to swap in alternative content. We can actually remove content as part of the personalized experience. So it's just this toggle here. So let's hide our hero image for mobile users. Okay, and let's just preview how that looks. Of course, this is on a desktop, but if you're on a mobile device, it's going to bring you straight to the content, in this case, the news. So that looks good. Let's go ahead and publish that then. Okay, so our page has published. So let's take a look at our site on the desktop, just to confirm that the default experience shows as expected. So this is what the site looks like on desktop, the full headline and the full image. Now I'm going to jump across to my mobile device. Hopefully it works sharing the screen, and let's take a look to see if the personalization works. So here's the default website on mobile device. I haven't reloaded it since we published the changes. So let's reload that, and it works as expected. So it's the shorter welcome message and hiding the hero component. So that's been successful. So that's how you personalize using device-based user conditions in Sitecore XM Cloud.